Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Adidas Foundation Backpack is probably one of the most versatile and stylish options available for students, athletes, and everyday commuters, offering a perfect blend of functionality and fashion that seamlessly integrates into your active lifestyle, ensuring you have ample space and comfortable carrying for all your essentials, whether you're heading to class, the gym, or embarking on a weekend adventure. Number 5. Adidas Excel Backpack. Introducing the Adidas Excel Backpack, designed for both men and women. It's a durable and large athletic laptop bag built to withstand your daily adventures. Experience superior comfort with our load spring shoulder straps. They are engineered to significantly ease the weight, making it comfortable to carry even when fully packed. This backpack features a lifetime warranty, signifying its robust construction. With numerous pockets, it's perfect for use as a work backpack or a gym backpack. Crafted from wipeable material, keeping it clean is simple with just soap and water. It's ideal for use as a tech backpack or a reliable backpack for your daily commute. An interior sleeve is designed to securely store your laptop, up to 15 inches. This makes it a great choice for a book bag or a travel backpack. Multiple zippered pockets offer generous storage space. This makes it a versatile option for carrying your computer or for business essentials. Stay hydrated on the go with two mesh side pockets designed to hold water bottles up to 32 ounces. What we like? Experience superior comfort with load spring shoulder straps designed to ease the weight. This backpack comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it's built to last. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable option for daily commutes or travel, this is a great choice. What people say. The backpack has a spacious main compartment and multiple smaller pockets for organization. It features padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying, even when the bag is full. The durable material is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Number 4. Adidas Unisex Foundation Laptop Backpack. This backpack offers multiple zippered pockets, providing ample storage for all your belongings. It's perfect for carrying your laptop or using it as an everyday bag. Crafted with wipeable material, keeping it clean is simple. Just use soap and water for easy spot cleaning, making it ideal for travel or daily use. We stand by its durability. This bag is built to last and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it will be your reliable companion for years to come. An interior sleeve is designed to securely store your laptop, up to 16 inches. It functions perfectly as a dedicated laptop or computer backpack. Stay hydrated on the go with two mesh side pockets. They are designed to fit water bottles up to 32 ounces, keeping your drinks easily accessible. What we like? Enjoy ample storage with multiple zippered pockets and a dedicated sleeve for up to a 16-inch laptop. Its wipeable material makes cleaning a breeze. If you need a versatile backpack for both work and everyday use, this one offers great organization and easy maintenance. What people say. The backpack has a spacious main compartment and a separate laptop sleeve, making it great for school or work. Multiple exterior pockets provide easy access to essentials like water bottles and keys. The padded shoulder straps are adjustable and comfortable, even when the backpack is fully loaded. Number 3. Adidas Young BTS Creator 2 Backpack. Introducing the Adidas Young BTS Creator 2 Backpack. It's designed for your everyday adventures. Keep your essentials neatly arranged with 3 exterior zippered pockets. Everything you need is within easy reach. Stay refreshed on the go with 2 convenient exterior water bottle pockets. Perfect for keeping your drinks accessible. Experience superior comfort with padded shoulder straps. They are designed to make carrying your load a breeze. This backpack comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring its durability and your peace of mind. What we like? This option offers comfort with padded shoulder straps and convenient organization with 3 exterior zippered pockets. It also boasts a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you prefer quick access to your essentials and a reliable build, this backpack is a solid pick. What people say. The material feels strong and the zippers work smoothly. It has plenty of space inside and the side pocket is perfect for a water bottle. The strap length is perfect for my 9-year-old daughter, and somehow the zippers have held up great, no issues with them falling off, which is impressive. Number 2. Adidas Defender Sports Backpack. Introducing the Adidas Defender Sports Backpack, designed for your active lifestyle. It's the perfect companion for any sport or travel adventure. Accidents happen, but cleaning this bag is a breeze. Simply use soap and water to spot clean, making it ideal for travel. Don't let wet conditions stop you. Its water-resistant base ensures your gear stays dry, whether you're on the field or heading to the gym. Personalize it to stand out. With ample space for embroidery and branding, you can create a truly unique bag that represents your team. Equipped with ventilated panels and plenty of room, it can hold everything you need, including a ball and your cleats. This bag is ready for action. Invest in durability. This backpack comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can take it anywhere and carry anything with confidence. What we like? Keep your gear separate and dry with a dedicated shoe compartment and water-resistant base. Plus, it's designed for customization with space for team embroidery. If you're an athlete or need to keep gym clothes separate from your main items, this is the perfect solution. What people say? Good quality, good smooth zipper, and it's larger than I expected, which is nice. Comfy to carry. Very durable. I bought it for my stepson for school and he keeps all of his books in there because he doesn't want to walk to his locker. It holds up nice and has enough room. This backpack has a great quality and a lot of storage capacity, and I love it in gray color. Number 1. Trefoil 2.0 Backpack. Introducing the Trefoil 2.0 Backpack, designed with durability in mind. It comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it's built to last through all your adventures. Life happens, but cleaning up is a breeze. Its wipeable lining allows for easy spot cleaning with just soap and water. Keep your drinks secure and accessible. It features 2 side pockets designed to hold up to 32-ounce water bottles. Protect your essential devices. An interior sleeve provides secure storage for laptops up to 15-16 inches. Stay organized with dedicated compartments. It includes interior pockets specifically for your earbuds and chargers. What we like? Stay organized with specialized interior storage for earbuds and chargers, alongside a sleeve for a 15 or 16 laptop. The wipeable lining ensures easy cleaning. If you value tech organization and a clean interior, this backpack is ideal for students or tech-savvy individuals. What people say? The backpack has a spacious main compartment and multiple internal pockets for organization. It features padded shoulder straps for comfortable carrying, even when the backpack is full. The durable material is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.